I'm going to bring in now Justus Parmar. He's the CEO of Fortuna Investments. And first, talk to us about Rocket Labs. I mean, this is a name that had something of a cult following. I still think a lot of folks on Wall Street are missing it.
Absolutely, and great to see you, Charles. I've actually met Peter a handful of times. He's a brilliant, brilliant guy. And yeah, you're right. I mean, we've been following the Rocket Lab story since the D-SPAC, really. And it was around $5 or so when we realized, wow, there's something really here. And so at the moment, the retail investors cannot buy SpaceX. It's only institutional. And so I would say that Rocket Labs is the closest looking, feeling company to a SpaceX. And I'm not comparing Rocket Labs to SpaceX, but I'm just saying it's probably the closest genesis, where they've got the launch program that's firing on all cylinders. They've got an integrated space system. They've got great revenue. They've got great government contracts. And Peter from Rocket Labs has done a tremendous job. And so, yeah, look, the stock from 5's gone to 100. It's pulled back. And it looks like it's about to have another run here.
Yeah, now I know that you've been involved in more than 100 venture companies. You've raised over $1 billion. But I'm really curious about your excitement with this space trade, because I share your enthusiasm.
I think, look, here's the deal. I think we're going to look back in 10 years. And for those of us who are participating, I think it's going to be a very fruitful 5-10 years. But I think for the ones who maybe don't jump aboard this train, they're really, really going to regret it. It's almost like the internet was, first exploding in around the late 90s, early 2000s, where, all the signs are there. The biggest, the smartest, the wealthiest folks in the world, the Elon Musks, the Jeff Bezoses, the great innovators of our generation are really all in the space industry. And these are not people you want to bet against. They're opening up the industry. Obviously, SpaceX gets lots of the headlines, but I think there's going to be a new vintage of companies that we've never heard of really starting to rise here. So I think it's a tremendous opportunity, and everybody should also take a hard look and do your own due diligence.
Well, speaking of companies we never heard of, listen, I thought I knew every space company out there, but I'm not really familiar with MDA Space. I just kind of wish we did this interview like 9 months ago. It's breaking out. It looks phenomenal. The volume has picked up. What's going on there?
Yeah, and so what I'll say is I don't necessarily think it's too late. Look, I think for a lot of these companies that the train is just leaving the station. Sure that they're off their lows, but I think it's going to be a good couple years for the space industry, really kicking off with SpaceX's record IPO that's coming in 60 days or so here. MDNA Space, I think it's it is overlooked. I think it's only a $4 or $5 billion company. They've got a $4 billion backlog of customers. It's a Canadian company, so maybe it gets kind of overlooked, but it does trade down here on the NYSE. It's profitable, a profitable space company. That's worth a lot. And then the interesting thing is, Charles, it actually is the intersection of robots and space, probably the two most topical themes coming up here. And so I think for those reasons, and the last reason probably is, I don't know if you follow what happens up in Canada, but they're actually pushing a Buy Canada. Mark Carney up there is pushing Buy Canada. So I think companies like this will actually get a lot of government help and love too. So I think it's something to really look at.
I got less than a minute to go. It was interesting. You talked about the robots. Ray Wang just talked about maybe Optimus being folded into SpaceX. But let me shift real quick, because you're pounding the table on uranium. We see from time to time where these stocks get hot. And again, another name I think 90%, 95% of the audience doesn't know. Tell us more about this Eagle Energy Corp.
Okay, so Eagle is a new arrival. It just arrived on the NASDAQ. It's a very exciting company. It's got a great profile. It's a small company. It's a young company still, but they've got a great asset. It's an American-based company. As these companies really start to emerge, there's not that many ways to play uranium, which, if you really believe in nuclear, you absolutely need uranium. Mm-hmm. And this is emerging as a company. If it can really hit the milestones, I think it could really make some noise here. And so, Charles, the one fact I just want to drop is, in America here, we consume 50 million pounds of uranium, but we only produce 2. We only produce 2 million pounds. And so that's a huge deficit that needs to be changed. And companies like Eagle and UEC are really trying to fill that void.
Yeah, and the administration is really willing to do almost anything to help those kind of companies as well. Justus, great stuff, my man. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.